In this video I'm going to show you how to fix page isn't available right now on Instagram. If you get this message on your Instagram account, then follow these steps to fix it. At the end of the video you probably will be able to fix this problem and go on with your Instagram activities. So the first step is go to your web browser, go to Google and search for this, is Instagram down? After that we can click on the link and accept it. And then check how much reports are there that Instagram is down. As you can see, it is quite low for a worldwide app. So probably Instagram is just working at the moment. The next step is to check your internet connection. Do you have a good internet connection at the moment? Check it, and after that you can proceed with the following step. Now we will go to our settings on phone. What we need to do is go to the search bar, type in settings, go to settings, then we go to general, and after that we go a little bit down to iPhone storage. Now let it load. As you can see, my storage is quite full at the moment. But beside of that, you can always click on Instagram. As you can see, I'm using 1.26 gigabyte. So if you would like to clear this, then you can offload the app. By clicking on this option, you will delete all the unnecessary documents and data. So the rest will be cleared and you can download the app again. Once you have done this, then you can go back to Instagram to check if everything works. If it works, then you will see this.